How to buy PayPal gift card online. Open a browser and search for paypal.com/gifts and give it a search. You will be redirected in this home page. You can go ahead and search for a gift card or just select from the popular ones. Then just tap on the one that you prefer. In here, it will add more details about the gift card. Just scroll down for more options. At the bottom, you will see some of the price range that you can select from. Go ahead and select one. If you select other, you have to go ahead and enter a custom amount. Then at the bottom, you will see this is a gift or this is for me. If it's a gift, you have to fill this form. If not, tap on this is for me. Then tap on add to cart. Then tap on checkout if you are done shopping. Scroll down until you see the option of buy and tap on it. Now in order to buy this gift card, enter your PayPal credentials to log in and then go ahead and pay for your gift card. Isn't it simple? So make sure to go ahead and give this a try, and thank you so much for watching.